Indian Economy, Unit 3. Role of Agriculture in Indian Economic Development. Done by Aravinda, first BCom, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science, NAAC accredited. Role of Agriculture in Economic Development. In economy. Point number 1. Share in national income. Largest employment providing sector. Contribution to capital formation. Providing of food surplus to the expanding populations, providing raw material to industries, importance in international trade. Consolidations of land holding. Consolidations of holding is the first step towards the moderation of Indian agriculture, and these should be done immediately by enacting proper legislations required in these. Uneconomic small farms should be properly consolidated, and small fragmented holdings should also be consolidated by forming cooperative farming societies. Point number 2. Overcoming natural factors. Proper steps should be taken to overcome various problems in agriculture resulting from national sector factors. All these steps include extensive flood control measures, creation of adequate irrigation facilities, etc. 3. Applications of modern techniques. Indian farmers should apply modern techniques of cultivation by utilizing modern implements using high yielding varieties of seeds. Using scientific crop rotation and careful crop planning, agricultural research should be carefully intensified and the results should be made available to be Indian farmers. Economic measures. Economic measures should be adopted in order to make the undertaken for the improvement of farm organization and land management. Besides, steps must be taken for the establishment of different types of agro-based industries in rural areas. Provision should be made for adequate credit and marketing facilities. Moreover, the government must introduce minimum price support policy, guarantee minimum prices of the agricultural product of the country, and implemented crop insurance scheme to cover the various risks in agriculture. Point number 5. Human development. For the improvement of agricultural productivity in India, the quality of farmers should be improved and they should be imparted with adequate general and technical educations. Adequate public health measures should also be undertaken in rural areas. Point number 6. Providing of fair price. The farmers should for their agricultural products at a remunerative level. Point number 7. Providing credits. There should be providing cheap credit on reasonable terms, especially to small farmers for better techniques of production. Point number 8. Providing inputs at reasonable price. The modern inputs like fertilizer, patricity, Indian farmers and should apply modern techniques of cultivation by utilizing modern implements using high yielding varieties of seeds. Using scientific crop rotation and careful crop planning, agricultural research should be carefully intensified and the result should be made available to the Indian farmers. Improved seeds should be made available to the farmers at reasonable prices. Point number 9. Educating the farmers. There should be provision of education, research, and intention of agro-economic services to spread knowledge of improved methods of farming. Point number 10. Sources of livelihood. In India, the main occupation of our working population in agriculture, above 70% of our population is directly engaged in agriculture. In advanced countries, the ratio is very small, being 5% in UK, 4% in USA, 16% in Australia, 14% in France, 21% in Japan, 32% in USSR. This high proportion in agriculture is due to the fact that non-agricultural activities have not been developed to observe the rapidly growing population.